Keep spotting, Tumble Ted. Right. Let's see now. Aha! I've spotted something. It's a pine cone. Woohoo! We can tick pine cone off our nature hunt list. Right. Pine cone. There we go.
Well done, Mr Tumble. What else do you need to spot?
Well, we need to spot a squirrel, an owl, and a rabbit.
I know you and Tumble Ted can do it, Mr Tumble.
Oh, well, I know. Thank you.
I think I saw something, Mr Tumble.
Did you? What? Let's have a look. I think you're right. It's an owl. Let's tick off owl.
Just a squirrel and a rabbit to spot now, Mr Tumble.
I know. Right. Here we go. Back to the binoculars. What's that, Tumble Ted? You think you see something? Ooh. Right. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh! You did! It's a squirrel! Woohoo! Well spotted, Tumble Ted. Ha ha! Right, I'll tick it off our list. One squirrel.
Just one thing left to spot now, Mr Tumble.
Yes, and then our nature hunt is finished. Okay, we have a rabbit to spot. Right. Rabbit. Rabbit. I don't think we're going to spot a rabbit, do you, Tumble Ted?
Mr Tumble?
Yes?
Why don't you eat your packed lunch and try spotting a rabbit later?
What do you think? Great idea! I think Tumble Ted is hungry. Come on then. There you go, Tumble Ted. Enjoy!
Your lunch looks tasty, Mr Tumble.
Oh, thank you. But we still haven't spotted a rabbit.
I think Tumble Ted spotted something, Mr Tumble.
Really? Oh, it's a rabbit! We finished our nature hunt. Woohoo! Look!
Well done, Mr Tumble.
Thank you! Wait! There's another rabbit! And another! And another! And another!
I think they've spotted your salad, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes, you're right. OK, to celebrate finishing our nature hunt, everyone can have a treat. Some of my delicious salad! Woohoo! There you go. Enjoy!
Wow, those rabbits were hungry.
Yay! Whoa, they certainly were.
Mr Tumble,
Yes?
can you show us the sign for rabbit?
Oh, yes. Rabbit. You sign. Rabbit.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. You're our friend.
And you're my friend. We're all friends. I love to laugh and giggle. And if you want to join us for some more laughing and giggling, then you can find us on BBC iPlayer. Woohoo!